it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you are, make sure you subscribe and click that little bell button to turn on your notifications. I can't speak today. But yeah, before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, let's just like roll the intro. As you guys can tell by the title, I am doing the trending reading your assumptions about me video. So I'm really excited for this. I got a lot of good ones in here and everything. I asked you guys on my Instagram, so if you do want to participate in any of these kinds of videos, Q&As, assumptions, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can participate. Alright, we are just going to jump right into it. So, someone said, I must say that you are the pizza lover. I don't know if like the pizza lover is like a specific thing, but I do love pizza. I love a good pizza. If you guys know me, I'm always eating pizza. Like, I'm gonna eat pizza for dinner tonight, but like a healthy pizza. It's like a flatbread, you know? You're a fashion booty poppin' queen, and that's not an assumption but the truth. Thank you. So another assumption is you're spoiled and your parents pay for your school/bills. Now, this is for the most part true. I will admit I am spoiled. I am very privileged. It would be stupid of me not to admit that I am privileged, because I am. So I don't even want you guys to hate on me in the comments, since this is like right off the bat, but like, I am privileged. I recognize that and I realize that. But my school has been paid for through scholarships and a college fund that my parents set up for me literally the day I was born, so that I wouldn't go into debt and my parents wouldn't go into debt paying for me to go to school, because I also have a sibling. So like, they were really smart, you know, when my mom gave birth to me and my sister, and they set up a college fund to save for 18 years for us to go to school. Yeah, and then bills wise, I pay for some of my bills, but also again, my parents are very understanding. They know that I work my ass off. I have 2 jobs. At one point I had 3 jobs, but like, that's a lot as a full-time student, but I have 2 jobs and I work really hard. I'm a full-time student, but our whole rule is in our family is like, while we're in school, our priority is schoolwork and grades and, you know, getting that diploma. And so my parents understand that I don't make enough money. Obviously, I'm working 2 jobs to pay for everything on my own, so they're helping me out until I graduate. But once I graduate, which is in a month, I'm cut off. So there's the long explanation for that. You miss being in a sorority. Now, that's a hard question to say whether it's true or false, because like, there's tiny things I miss about being in a sorority. Overall, I don't really. It's so restricting, there's so much drama, it's just like, I can make a whole video about it. Yeah, I feel like with the pros and cons, yeah, I don't miss being in a sorority. You like tall guys. That is true. I am attracted to guys that are taller than me. Like the one like Twitter meme thing that's always just kind of around the whole like, is he above 6 feet kind of thing. Like that remains true for me. But yeah. But no longer plural, because I only like 1 tall guy. Hi, Steven. You can't wait to graduate. That is true. I am so ready to graduate, especially more so like, I've just been kind of chilling this whole spring semester, and I'm just really waiting for that diploma. Like, I'm already working and everything. I just need that diploma so I can get paid more for the work that I'm doing. You're a really chill person but get awkward on camera. That is like pretty true, actually. It's both true and false. Again, I am a really chill person. Not a lot really makes me mad or anything, but I do get kind of awkward on camera. You get like, but also this is just like my normal personality at the same time. I'm like a awkward person. I get it all the time. Steven tells me all the time how awkward I am, but like, I'm just giving you guys my real self, I guess, yeah. You prefer pressed coffee over Starbucks and Dutch. I would say that's true, yeah, because I like press coffee. I don't know if it's just like an Arizona thing. I don't really know. You could look it up. But Press Coffee really does have good quality coffee. It's just like I have a Starbucks like app card thing, so that's why I always go to Starbucks, and like I know that they take my reusable cup that I like to use because like hashtag save the planet and everything. And I don't go to Dutch Bros. I've probably been to Dutch Bros 3 times. Because I don't get Dutch Bros. I'm sorry. You're an empowering self-love queen. True, sis. Love yourself. You most likely sing loud as fuck in the shower. That's true. When I'm home alone, I'll sing really loud in the shower. Like concert, sold out, Madison Square Garden, I am the headliner and I am singing. So a lot of these have to do with Steven. If you guys don't know, my boyfriend, his name is Steven Shapiro, and he's a very big YouTuber on YouTube, obviously. Steven and you met by him pranking you. That is false. Steven and I knew each other before we even started dating, because long story short, but like I've known Dawson since like my freshman year of college, and then Steven and Dawson started working together and just like inner circle, knew each other by association, then we like met each other, and months and months and months later, then we went out on our first date, and the rest is history. You can eat an entire pizza by yourself. I can. And I pretty much do it every time I eat pizza, because as I said before, I love pizza. Part of the reason you went to ASU is because it's a party school. No shade though, love your vids, thank you. I do love those juicy like questions though, like I don't take it as like shade or anything, but so thank you. But no, I did not go to ASU because it's a party school. I genuinely took a tour of the ASU campus and I just like fell in love with it. It's one of the biggest schools in the nation, and I knew I wanted a big school far away from my hometown, and ASU is just like beautiful weather, good programs, like it's just really amazing. So that's why I chose it. You cut your hair because you broke up with your ex. No, I know the timing of like my past relationship ending and me chopping my hair off is like, but even at the end of our relationship, I like kept saying like, I want to cut my hair, I want to cut my hair, I want to cut my hair, and then I just finally did it like a month after we broke up. So it has nothing to do with him. I just wanted to chop my hair off, you know? You love the Chicago area, but you do not want to live there post-grad. That is true. I love Chicago, I love home, but yeah, I don't want to go back home after I graduate. I'll probably stay in Arizona for a while, and then who knows? I love Chicago so much. I would only move back to Chicago if I was living in like the inner city, not in the suburbs or anything where I grew up. So that's true. You are super shy in person. I'm actually like an in-between, so that's both true and false again. I'm really a kind of person in public and like social situations where if I feel like good vibes and everything, then I'm super outgoing. I'm like totally like, hello, hi, my name is Sydney. But if I like go into a social situation and I feel awkward like right away, then I am very shy, and I'm just kind of like, hi, hello. Your main reason for doing YouTube is for the extra income, no hate. I love how you guys like disclaim these little like assumptions, it's so cute. But that is false. I honestly don't really make that much off YouTube. I genuinely still do it because I love it. If I do start making a lot on YouTube where I can do it full time, obviously I will. Like, why wouldn't I? I love doing this. I love sitting in front of the camera, and I love you guys. But I don't keep doing it all these years for the extra income, or else I'd be freaking poor. You've never done drugs. False. You're either Irish, Scottish, or English descent. I'm a tiny bit Irish, and that's it out of those 3. I'm not Scottish and I'm not English. You were very popular in high school. This is like a hard one. I guess I would be considered like popular in high school. I would have to like call my friends from high school and be like, were we popular? But I mean, I think so. I knew a lot of people. So if we're like saying that, like I literally knew everyone. I feel like I talked to like everyone in every friend group. I guess you could say, yeah. You look like you should be in a rock band. LMAO, it's the style and the attitude. Thank you. Honestly, I didn't think you'd be so woke about social issues. This actually has become like a new kind of passion for mine, to just keep up and be knowledgeable about social issues. Like, I'm not afraid to speak up now. Like, I used to be like a little pipsqueak, but now I'm not afraid to speak up. If someone is like making a misogynistic comment about women or like the environment or like something, those are my two most passionate things, like hashtag feminist, hashtag environment, you know, then I will speak up about it and I'll be like, sir, excuse me, or ma'am, you know, I'll say my piece because I educate myself so I can back myself up, you know. I'm not just speaking out ignorantly. You have your life together compared to most graduating college students. At one point, maybe a few months ago, I would answer this true, but now I would answer it false because now I have no idea what I want to do. I'm like questioning everything now that graduation is 1 month away. I'm like literally questioning every single thing. But now I'm just like a normal college kid who like doesn't know what they're doing with their life. Yay! You want Steven to stop asking for girls' numbers even though it's fake. I would say this one is false because I understand that it's his job. We've like talked about it. I've told him that even when we started just dating, like first date, second date, third date kind of thing, I told him, I was like, I don't care. I know that this is your job. Like Dawson does it. He's married, you know? Like it's just their job. It's just a video. It's just having fun kind of thing. And I know that it's not real and that he asks consent at the end of every video and tells the girl like, I'm so sorry, this is for a video. He like didn't. And yeah, so I really don't care because then he monetizes those videos and then he makes money that he can spend on me. You are a very positive human. I would say this is true. I am pretty positive. I'm one of those people who are super positive about like everything in life, but then when it comes to myself, I'm kind of like, I don't take my own advice. I'm all like, you know, happens to everyone, happens to the best of us. But overall, I am a very positive person. I never really was, but now I am. And that is hashtag growth, hashtag self-love, hashtag. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I drank way too much cold brew before filming this video. You're adventurous AF. I would say that's true. I like to try new things. I like to go to new places. I like to explore and travel and all that stuff. Although I am kind of like a homebody at times and I like my comfort zones, I do like to dare a little and step out of them. Because that's life. You gotta step out of your comfort zone. You know what I mean? And last but not least, someone says, why do you assume that we assume something about you? And that is the perfect way to end this, and it's because everyone assumes things about everyone, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell button, turn on notifications so you are notified when I upload, you know, like let's beat that algorithm and everything, and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm way more active on those social outlets. So yeah, make sure you follow me on those. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.